Hello everyone, it's me Dr. Shiji. In this video, I am going to discuss about the uses of logic. Logic provides us with the methods and techniques for evaluating right and wrong reasoning. Thus, it is concerned with the norms, standards, ideals to distinguish between correct and incorrect reasoning. That is why logic is defined as the normative study of reasoning. According to Crichton, logic is a science which treats the operations of the human mind in its search for truth. In other words, it is defined as the science which investigates the process of thinking. Scientific study in any field is based on correct reasoning, and hence, logic is considered as the basic science of sciences. Logic is a study of reasoning process as expressed in language. A student of logic can definitely grasp the means to analyze knowledge in any field according to specific standards of truth. Logic as a science of reasoning enables us to develop order and coherence in thinking. A careful study of logic will help us to avoid ambiguities in expression. It highlights the fallacies related to the use of language. Logic prescribes the methods to convert ordinary sentences into logical statements or prepositions. This will help us to attain clarity in the structure and meaning of sentences and arguments. Hence, the study of logic will make us aware of the fallacies hidden under the metaphorical and ornamental language in newspaper reports and public speeches. Use of the study of logic. Logic is both the normative and regulative science of thinking. Its dual concern for material and formal truth is the core of the hypothetical deductive method adopted in scientific investigation. Thus, logical analysis is essential for testing scientific hypotheses. The important uses of logic as follows. The construction and programming of computers entirely based upon the application of laws of logic. The laws of logic, in one way or another, are fundamental to every academic disciplines. In the study of law, logical arguments are necessary. Logic helps us to know things in scientific manner, and logic provides us with the scientific principles of correct thinking. With reference to these principles, we can obtain truth and eliminate error. Logic is necessary to understand others' views and communicate our own belief. Logic is necessary to analyze other people's belief. The study of logical fallacies is important for critical analysis and evaluation of arguments of others. The study of logic helps us to eliminate incorrect ideas and superstitions. Logic gives us the practical rules to train our mind. It provides a balanced mind. The study of logic gives us the reasons for why certain reasoning is correct and some others are incorrect. The study of logic helps us to eliminate emotional and subjective influences in reasoning and to reach truly objective process of reasoning. Logic is valuable in the fields of law and crime investigations. Judges and lawyers are always keen on the logical coherence of arguments in law courts. Detectives and police officers apply the tools of logic to discover the loopholes in crime investigation. A careful study of logic guarantees training in detecting fallacies in judgments and arguments. That is why we consider logic not only as a science of reasoning but also as the art of argumentation. It is true that a person who had not studied logic can do well in making and analyzing arguments. This is possible because reasoning power is an inborn skill of human mind. Anyway, we can improve this natural skill through proper training. This is true as in the case of a born athlete who can win medals if trained properly by an athletic coach. Thank you so much. See you soon with a new topic. Thank you.